Sadie, legally, what arguments is the lawsuit making?
Well, this lawsuit is alleging that this new Texas abortion ban is unconstitutional on its face for a couple of reasons. For one, it alleges that the law violates the Constitution's supremacy clause, which essentially says that federal law takes precedent over state law, and that it violates the 14th Amendment, which establishes, which is what has established the Supreme Court's protections for abortion rights. So Merrick Garland is essentially arguing that the scheme of this Texas law has basically given private citizens the ability to violate women's constitutional rights by preventing them from having abortions.
But how does the Justice Department have standing in this case?
That is going to be one of the steepest hurdles that the Justice Department is going to have to meet with this lawsuit, according to some of the legal experts that I talked to. It's going to be a challenge for the Justice Department to prove that they are acting in defense of women in Texas. And, so while the Biden administration is making a pretty strong showing of where it stands on abortion rights, it might not necessarily prevail in court.
Yet normally you have to be directly impacted to have standing, right?
Right. And the Justice Department is saying that it does have the responsibility as the federal government to intervene and protect the rights of women. And so it is saying that its interests are harmed that way. But also it's saying that this Texas law puts federal agencies like the Health and Human Services Department and the Defense Department in jeopardy because those agencies have women in custody who, might need to seek an abortion, and the services that they provide would be, run up against this state law if it were to stand.
Sadie Gurman from Wall Street Journal, thank you.